Hi.
Hi, Dizzy. Hi. Mm. And welcome back to another camping vlog. It's been like the hottest week in July at the moment, so we thought we'd make the most of this weather and come camping. So we've come about an hour away to Oxford, and the campsite is really lovely. It's got 2 donkeys, so Didier is very happy with that. We've just gone to sort out a shower situation because it is so hot. It's about 27 degrees. It's supposed to be even hotter tomorrow at 34. I'm already kind of dreading it. So we're all a bit sticky, and we've just found out that we've got to pay £1 for the showers. They look really nice and clean, but we didn't bring any change, so I'm just there like, I need to have a shower because I feel so hopefully he's going to be really nice and let us shower. But we're just about to have some tacos. Matt's just gone to sort out the shower situation. Sorry, I'm looking at above because there's so many like flies. But yeah, we've got some tacos, some soft shell tacos, and a load of veg that we like chopped up and prepared. And yeah, I can't wait. It's also Matthew's 30th birthday tomorrow. So I've got him some really nice presents, and I'm really excited because it's something that he really wants to do. He, because he's a chef, he's a sous chef, he really likes to go and visit like Michelin star restaurants to get like inspiration and things like that. So I bought him a 3-course meal at, like for the pair of us, at Gordon Ramsay's 3-star Michelin star restaurant. And I'm so excited, so I can't wait for him to open that tomorrow. I've also bought him some of the little presents and a bottle of champagne, so that's going to be so nice. I've bought him a little carrot cake birthday cake ready for tomorrow, and we are also going to go to Oxford tomorrow because he's never been before, and I can't wait to show him around. He's going to absolutely love it. But yeah, I thought I'd show you around our little tent setup. So I've just bought these 2 chairs yesterday, and they were only from like Home Bargains, and the table. We've got a little ladybird out there for Didier, who is currently asleep. There. Coming up to 10 o'clock now, so I think I'm probably going to sign off. It's getting pretty late. I really need to get dressed into something warmer because I'm still in like a all-in-one suit thing, and it is starting to get a bit chilly. I've just had to wrap the baby up in a few extra layers, and we're going to finish our wine, maybe have a hot cup of tea, and then we're going to go up to bed. So I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Hello, Didi. Hi. Good morning. It's so sunny. Move a little bit on it. Happy birthday!
25 today.
Plus 5.
Did you buy it? Really?
Guys, good morning. Matthew's just gone to check out the shower situation because he went last night, and yeah, you definitely need like pound coins and no one's there, so we are a bit stinky. So Matthew's going to see if he can find any money to go and have a shower. He's just opened up all his presents, and I think he's really, really excited and happy, so that's made me really happy. And we're going to go shower, hopefully get dressed, and then have a nice day out in Oxford and have some lunch maybe in a nice restaurant, or take a picnic into a park or by the river in Oxford. The little one's having a great time down there. It's already so hot, it's due to be like 34 degrees today, so he's already coated in sun cream. And hopefully it's not going to be too hot, because the tent in there is already boiling. But yeah, I'll see you in a bit. was a nice smile for the camera. Oh, you're such a poser. Are you a poser? Yeah. Good morning.